Hey, welcome back. Unfortunately, this one went in a little bit longer than the RH72. This one's a 4-part. Well, RH72 was a 3-part video. But yeah, getting that shield in was a little bit tricky, but you can do it, and it does look fantastic, amazing. So, if anyone wants to know a height size comparison between the two Gundams, actually, let me move this one a little bit more towards the middle because we want to go in order. So as you can kind of see, like that, if we were to stand on side by side, obviously the Wing Gundam is a little bit taller due to the shoulder armor, while the R72 has more of a higher waist chest area. Head is about the same size for the head, even though it looks like the head's a little bit smaller on the R72, but yeah. Both of them get the same things. When it comes to hands, both of them get the closed fist, both of them get the one right-handed trigger finger, and the left-handed, holding, shield holding hand. Both of them are going to get the Tamashii stage at 5 adapter piece. Oh, he's forgot his shield here. His little shield should go on his back here. There we go. There's a good little boy. So yeah, pros and cons of these. Pros, they look so nice. Although cons was the Wing Gundam here. He cannot transform to Neo Bird Flight Mode. He has the movable little bird claws, the movable wings. It looks like all you gotta do is twist, the waist, twist the head, grab the shield, put it onto the back of the head and the backpack, grab the gun, put it underneath the shield, and Neo Flight Bird Wing Mode, and just bend the toes in. Looks like that, but you can't do that. Okay, you want to do that, you gotta actually get the Bandai model kit. Now it's the R72. The cons with that one is you cannot move the rifle. I mean, you can move the little scope on the rifle, but the grip for the second part, well, like your grip, like a foregrip, like you had like a assault rifle or something, where you want to put a foregrip on there. It has a foregrip. Foregrip does not move, so obviously you cannot get the sweet action pose like here, where it's actually holding the foregrip and the trigger. No, you're not going to get that into that pose, which is a dirty shame. And you're not really going to get into this invisible, I'm sitting in an invisible chair type of pose. No. Just no. And it's left holding hand, very, very loose, but RS modders and, Transformer collectible guys out here in YouTube land, we know all the little get some Prez 4 watts, do a little dabbing with the watts and the joints and the ball, and it makes it nice and tight. Not super tight, like, if we were to super glue it or use model glue on it, because, we want to pop it out, put in different poses for maybe like different photo ops for dioramas and stuff, or, Facebook, YouTube contests, but yeah, that's just a great little trick that I want to throw out there and tell you about. Get some pudge, 4 polish, a little jud of stuff. You don't want to get the spray. Do not get the spray. You want to get in the little jud. Take like a toothpick, dab it on. Works miracles. Well, with this one, it should have the beam saber, because I think the original one did have beam saber, if I remember correctly. I didn't really watch the whole Win. I mean, when Win came out, that was back in the day that I still didn't have cable. Nor was I watching, Dragon Ball Z at the time. Was it Dragon Ball Z Kai? I don't know. I didn't have cable, so whenever I go to my friend's house, I'm like, oh, hey, sweet, Dragon Ball's on, Inuyasha's on. I'm like, oh, cartoons from Cartoon Network and Toonami. I was like, oh my god, I wish I had cable. But yeah, now I have cable. But yeah, back today, it was like a real treat getting to watch Dragon Ball on TV at my friend's house. And when they had Gundam, I was like, oh, Gundams! Inuyasha! It was amazing. But yeah, like I said, pros, cons. Oh, and something I noticed on BidCon, all of them, they never paint the Vulcans on their foreheads. Even though they had the Vulcan guns on their foreheads, or 72 has it. The Wing Gundam has it. Now, the Unicorn Gundam also has it. And those ones are painted in. But it looks very, very horrible on the Unicorn Gundam. I mean, you don't see even a hint of a gun barrel coming out. It's just like two little black dots on the Unicorn, which is very, very horrible. But I mean, yeah. Like I said, if you like them and how they look, but you want them to look kind of like in between a 1100 and 1144 high grade and master grade kit. They vary between the high like that, depending on which one you get. They do look like a model kit, but clothes at first inspection, and when you actually get to play one of them, yeah, they're just really a big plastic action figure, or a collectible action figure to be more precise. But yeah, most of their standard parts that Autumn get for their accessories, same hands, and little display stand piece for the action base. Autumn's gonna come with that. The only thing that's gonna vary is the Gundam, the shield, their guns. Do they get beam sabers or not? Those are the only real variables. And some that's supposed to transform don't transform. So yeah. But yeah, if you definitely want to put these up, which I do recommend, they aren't going to be as fun as a model kit. I mean, a model kit is definitely going to be a lot more fun to build and paint and pose. But if you like these, $25, kind of the price of a high grade, maybe some master grades from GameStop, or even wheel grades from GameStop. GameStop's starting to put like master grades and wheel grades for like the price of a high grade, which is not really that bad of a price. But yeah,